Tonight, the family of 8-year-old Secoriea Turner says they can finally breathe easier after a jury handed down a guilty verdict in the case of their daughter's now convicted killer. Secoriea was killed during protests for Rashad Brooks in July of 2020 when bullets were fired into the car she and her mother were riding in. 5 years later, Julian Conley has been found guilty on all murder counts and some gang charges. 11 Alive's Angelina Salcido is live outside of the Fulton County Courthouse tonight where that verdict and sentence were handed down. Angelina, both families say they lost in this situation.
Yeah, it was an emotional day in court, Jennifer, for both of these families. They have waited for this day for years. Secoriea's family had to relive the day that she was killed for the last 2 weeks. Conley's, on the other hand, says that they are disappointed with this verdict and the sentencing in this case, saying more people need to be held accountable.
We got the justice that we need for our innocent child.
I appreciate all they have done to get to the bottom of it and the truth.
Overwhelmed with emotion.
Win, lose, or draw, I wasn't gonna never stop fighting.
Secoriea Turner's parents react after 5 years waiting for their 8-year-old daughter's killer to be convicted.
Count 2, felony murder, record aggravated assault. Count 4, read the jury find defendant guilty.
Julian Conley sentenced to life without parole plus 25 years after a jury found him guilty for both murder and gang charges.
To the family, friends, parents of Secoriea Turner, we're truly sorry that you lost your beautiful child.
Julian's mother, Robin Conley, struggling with both the loss of Secoriea and her son.
Definitely going to appeal right away. You guys saw the trial just as much as we did, and as much as we're sorry about the Turner's loss, I've just lost a son. I know it's not comparable.
While the defense attorney maintains Julian's innocence, saying he did not pull the trigger, Secoriea's family doesn't agree with the defense of his actions.
There ain't no way you could defend a person who killed an innocent child. If my son did, I'm not finna go out there and try to defend that, because wrong is wrong, right is right. And he was dead wrong.
And this is a continuing process for Secoriea's family. Their attorneys have filed 2 civil suits, hoping to hold both the city and the police department accountable for how the protests were handled back in 2020. We'll be following the updates for both of those suits. We're live tonight in Atlanta. Angelina Salcido, 11 Alive News.
Angelina, thank you. And since Secoria's death, a scholarship has been created in her name. Secoria's Social Justice Scholarship. It's through Spelman College, the same school Secoriea hoped to attend. The scholarship aims to help young women with their educational goals.